Back, friends. You know, earlier this hour we had the cooking mom, Amy Hanton. Now it's time for Cooking for Dad's owner, Rob Barrett.
Here they go. Very exciting time for Rob because tomorrow he is going to celebrate the 15th anniversary of his YouTube channel. Let's take a little look back at his very first recipe, shall we?
Hi, I'm Rob Barrett and you're watching Cooking for Dads. Today we're going to make cheesy chicken, peas, and potatoes. Come on, let's go shopping. Okay, you've been to the website, you've got your list, let's go.
Rob, that's baby Rob.
Oh, look at you.
We used to do the video shopping list. That
It's
was
so
kind
cute.
of the thing.
It was hot to be in the grocery store back then.
We wanted to show guys where to find stuff, so they wouldn't, look at the list and look it up and have to ask. No, this is where the stuff is.
Oh my gosh! Yeah. Oftentimes Jay calls me and he's like, "Lun's rearranged again."
Oh,
It really is amazing how many dads I know that have no idea where to find anything.
Right.
Anything.
Exactly.
And that starts it with being frustrated, where if you know what you're doing, then you're not frustrated, then you can enjoy being in the kitchen. So what's happening with you?
Well, it was we grow grapes in our yard, and we make grape jam, and so I bought you some grape jam.
Oh, thank you.
Nice. Thank
Now, you and I cooked together already in 2013. When you were on before. Yeah, we made veggie sliders.
Wow.
What? No, we need to stick with the ribeyes,
right.
you know.
And I was in the
Rob.
King and I as a kid, so I got the whole Yule Brenner thing going on here.
Oh, okay. All right, here we are. We meet again.
Oh man. Okay, so Rob, what is this recipe? This accordion style steak, but I see some chicken here too.
We're gonna do meats and potatoes, right? Here we go.
Great.
It was
Classic
a TikTok
fall.
thing. It was kind of this, one of those TikTok viral things, and I said, I wonder if that really works, and then it actually does. So
you're creating an accordion, and then what's better about it?
So rubs and marinade are all about surface area. The more surface area you have, the more flavor you can get in.
Right.
So if we can increase the surface area and yet kind of keep it as one meat, so we're going to more than double the surface area here of the steak, allowing rub to get just everywhere.
So then you just pack all the rub in every little crevice and everything.
This is making sense.
That makes
I thought
more
it was
sense.
just like a shtick.
Yeah, I thought it was just for
It
looks.
looks so cool. I love the way the potatoes look. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to cut on a shallow angle.
Okay.
You don't want to cut all the way through. To that end, I've got some dowels here. You can use a pencil or chopsticks or whatever, and just keep yourself from cutting through it all the way. So it's not a very steep angle, and we're going to do about 1/2-inch cuts. The bigger the cuts, the bigger the holes are in between.
Okay.
So you don't want to do really tiny little strips because otherwise you're going to get, it's going to be tiny things. Okay, now we're going to flip it over.
All right.
Do the exact same thing.
Oh, okay.
Same
Okay, I see what you're doing.
Same angle.
Because I was watching you do that, I'm like, well, you're not going very deep into the cut there.
Do the
Interesting.
exact same angle. And once again, probably like a 20-degree angle. Don't do 45 because then it won't expand. It's already expanded.
Okay.
So you want to have some reason to expand.
So if you're doing chicken, which it looks like the chicken is already pre-cut, it's the same technique.
Yeah, so then you're just going to pull it apart like that.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, fun.
Yeah, so if we do rub,
Yeah.
we're just going to get it all in all those holes.
Yes.
And on both sides.
Okay.
Okay, and then the cooking process is all the same.
Yeah, chicken the same way. You cut it, and then you can just expand it out like that. Look at that.
Okay.
That's fun.
And then you're
That
going
is
to add
super
the
fun.
rub in there. Okay,
Right.
so
or
then,
marinade. So we did a teriyaki marinade with the chicken, and we did a rub with the steak.
So when you're grilling it, then you don't have any stick in it? It's not like a kebab. No. You're just grilling it like that.
Just gonna lay it right on the grill. When you go to flip it, kind of loosen it up.
I was going to ask about, because it's going to stick, right? You don't put any like oil down on the grates or anything.
No, you probably should.
Okay.
It's kind of new still. We're working on this a little bit, but I don't normally oil the grates because it burns off anyways.
Okay.
But the meat, the steak is fine. You can kind of just grab it and flip it over because you have all the fat.
And you did a ribeye here. When you're looking at like a different cut, are there any cuts or anything you want to look for when you're shopping?
The original was a strip.
Okay.
And I was going to do it with sirloin today, but I wanted to give you guys ribeyes.
That's very nice.
Yeah, you splurged for us. Thank you very much.
Right.
Yeah,
And you want kind of a long, thin cut. You want, so the breast actually works really well. It will not work well with thighs.
Okay.
Right.
Because you need a little thickness.
They're too small.
Right,
too
and
small.
there's too much variation.
And it's a really small accordion. Yeah.
Barely makes any noise.
There's no music.
It's terrible.
I know. You need like the big one.
What about the potato?
Okay, we're going to do potato now. So potatoes are super fun, but we need to get it into a rectangular shape in order to do it. So we're going to cut off the ends.
Russets you got?
These are Idaho.
Oh, they're okay.
I think.
Isn't that the same thing?
Yeah, I think in Idaho is a recipe.
I don't know.
Yeah, but listen.
What's the smaller golden one?
Those are Yukon Golds.
There we go.
There we
Yeah.
go.
I'm not
All
a
right.
potato expert. I just.
You
play
sound
one-
like it,
you just
though.
play
You
one on
are a
TV.
resident potato expert.
Thank you.
All right, so we have our accordion.
Yep.
I mean, our rectangle.
Yep.
And then we're just going to cut like this. Now, this we want to be smaller strips.
Okay.
Because one of the hard parts about this is it's going to maintain memory. So you pull the meat apart, and it, ooh,
Whoa, oh, jeez.
almost a Rachel Ray moment.
Doctor.
Thanks.
So this is hard to get it apart because it kind of is hard.
Okay.
So in order to get that, we are going to take a skewer and stick it. So if I pull this apart like that,
It's not going to do that much.
it
Oh,
goes
yeah,
right back.
yeah, that's
the
so
memory
we're
you're
gonna put
talking about.
Exactly. We'll put a skewer in,
Yep.
and then we
Okay.
can, oops,
Oh, that's okay.
it's live TV.
Yeah, no worries. And then you can kind of
And then you
gently
pull-
pull it
That's
apart.
And then actually twist it a little bit. Why don't you grab some pepper and some salt, and we're just going to hit this and get that oil, olive. So this is just olive oil.
So then when you are cooking that, because I see like you've got the skewer still in that one, are you
Right.
keeping the skewer in?
I am keeping the skewer in as you cook it.
Mm-hmm.
As you loosen it, as it cooks, it's going to loosen it up. You can actually get some forks in there and spread it out a little bit more because this isn't super accordioned, you know.
Yeah.
If you poke at it, you know, if you twist it more, it kind of gets more accordion.
And then you
but-
get the same, like just kind of more crispy edges.
Yeah, and more flavor on the inside.
And it just looks, that looks very
It is
cool.
very
Well,
cool.
and I was just going to say,
Present
my kids would love that because it just looks fun.
Yeah.
It's different.
Yeah.
They're like, oh, what is this? It's a potato, but
my
it doesn't
gosh.
look like a regular potato.
Rob,
or-
this is good.
Yeah.
We're going to dig in.
Super easy.
But first, we're going to tell people where to get the recipe.
I know. We are going to tell people where to get the recipe. More for his Cooking for Dads recipes, go to TwinCitiesLive.com.